this formula asks the question, what formula would you type in cell E2 to compute the monthly payment of a car loan of $18,000 at 7% for 5 years? So they give us the formula and they give us the values there. So what I did was I wrote out my formula. Then I mapped out the cell locations that would correspond to P, which is A2 for APR, it's B2 for N, is C2, and T is D2, and payment is E2. Okay, and they want to know what is the value, what expression for E2. So what I do next is I go ahead and rewrite it using the cell locations. Okay, so where I see a P, I'm going to type a A2 times the APR, which is B2, divided by N, which is C2, divided by 1 minus 1 plus. There's something missing in there. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm rewriting this here. APR is B2 over C2. And N is C2 There's a negative C2 here times T, which is D2. Close parentheses there. Now you want to put this into Excel speak. So I want to make sure that Excel knows what my numerator is and what my denominator is before I enter it in. Okay. So when I enter it into Excel, I'm going to have open parenthesis on a single line. I'm going to have A2 star B2 divided by C2, close parentheses, and I have my division symbol there, divided by open parentheses 1 minus 1 plus B2 divided by C2, close parentheses. I got an exponent. Use my caret symbol there. Negative C2 times D2. And then another close parentheses for the denominator. So my answer should look something like that. And that's where the answer comes from there.